afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, today we will write force and sound, ma'am. Lesson.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
we will write
First, what I'll do,
lesson. Ma'am, we will write sound
listen
and
to me
force
first.
lesson, ma'am. We will write.
Listen to me first. We will finish off that remaining textbook question answers, that is exercises, and then we'll start writing the notes, and I'll also check the books. Okay.
Ma'am, which lesson will start, ma'am?
We'll finish off whatever morning we left it in between, isn't it?
Ma'am, which lesson notes we are writing, ma'am, in the next
Notes we will think about. First, let me finish.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, we finished this last question. Somebody was reading. Vimuda, read this. What is a group of stars?
Yes, ma'am. What is the group of stars that make a pattern called? Telescope, constellation, astronomer, satellite. Ma'am,
Astronomer.
constellation.
First, astronomer. Astronomer.
Ma'am, the answer is constellation.
Okay. Tanish, do this match the following?
Okay, ma'am. Smallest planet. Mercury. Largest planet Jupiter. Lightest planet
Saturn.
Orion.
Lightest planet Saturn. Constellation.
Constellation Orion.
Astronomer.
Astronomer Aryabhatta.
Yeah. You want to see the answers? Or did you already match?
Mama, already.
It's easy, no? Yeah, very short answer type questions. Who is making that sound?
And can you tell Max the following again?
Yeah, smallest planet Mercury, largest planet Jupiter, lightest planet Saturn, constellation Orion, astronomer Aryabhatta. Sanjay.
Ma'am, can you show answers?
This one. Sorry, one second.
Man, can you zoom it? We cannot see the answers. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show second bit A bit?
Wait, we haven't come across that. Okay. Next. Vedant, read this. Give one word.
Ma'am,
Kritvik,
the
wait, morning you didn't read. Kritvik, I was calling your name. Why you didn't respond? Read this. Give one word for the following.
Okay, ma'am. Smallest planet. Mercury, ma'am.
Very short answer type. What are you reading?
Oh. The fixed path in which a planet moves around the sun. Planets, ma'am.
What? What is that fixed path? That circular lines. What it is called as, Kritvik?
Orbit.
Ah,
ma'am, your voice is
orbit. Okay. Kirtana, read second one.
An object that moves around a planet. Sun, ma'am.
An object that moves around a planet is sun. Satellite.
Satellite, ma'am.
ma'am, this is Vedant. You said you will ask me, ma'am.
Third one was. Tell.
Ma'am, huge holes on the surface of the moon. Ma'am, craters.
Very good. Nadesh Dev, fourth one.
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the instrument used to look at the moon and the
Not
stars
lock.
in the night.
Look. See properly and read.
Okay, ma'am. The instrument used to look at the moon and the stars, night sky. Ma'am, telescope.
Very good. Darshil, fifth one. Darshil, I can't hear you. Read fifth one.
Ma'am, he is in unmute, but we can't hear him, ma'am.
Okay. Sai Charan, you read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read fifth. Give one word for the following, ma. Why are you taking?
Ma'am, what is the third and fourth one, ma'am?
Wait, I'll show the answers.
Part of
Ma'am, for fourth
shape
one,
of
ma'am,
in the
for
sky.
fifth one,
Stars, ma'am.
two
Ma,
dashes,
patterns and
ma'am.
shapes of stars in the sky called as?
Shapes, ma'am.
No, constellation.
Constellations, ma'am.
Now I'll show the answers. Wait. See this.
Ma'am, for the fifth one, they have given an extra dash, ma'am.
What extra dash now?
Ma'am, in fourth one, they gave extra dash, ma'am. Ma'am, here they have given extra dash, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am. They gave. But the fourth one, they gave extra dash, ma'am.
How many people will say, ma? Same thing. No extra dash, nothing. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, second one is satellite.
You didn't see the answer?
Ma'am, I just joined now, ma'am. Can you show for it 2 minutes?
that sound, sir? Okay, rest you copy from the group. I'll forward. Next, go to examples of the following. Who will read? Shaurya, read.
Okay, ma'am. Planets. Mercury, Earth, ma'am.
Okay. Harshita has you. 2.
Yes, ma'am. Phases of the moon. Half moon, crescent moon.
Yeah. Avisha, 3rd one.
Yes, ma'am. Constellations are in the Great Bear, ma'am.
Yeah. Diksha Reddy, 4th one. Chandanavalli, 4th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Siri Samhita, 4th one.
Yes, ma'am. Astronomers of ancient India. Ancient India.
Yeah. Here you can write Bhaskara Varahamira.
Ma'am, can
Jaswant Naga. I'll show the answers. Jaswant Naga.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm
Read,
Jashwant.
read 5th one.
Okay, ma'am. Non-Indian astronauts.
Not astronauts, ma.
Astronauts.
No, astronomers.
Astronauts.
Astronomers.
Astronomers.
Non-Indian astronomers are who? Galileo, Johannes, Kepler. You can write these 2 things. 2 names.
Ma'am, can you
Okay,
show?
ma'am.
Ma'am, can human show spelling?
Yeah.
Astro. Ma'am, in the group you send the exercise lesson number 14, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am. You send already in the group, no?
yeah.
That is not 13th lesson, 14th lesson you send it.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. It is the page number 144, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I'll send
Can
one.
you send it again?
I'll send again.
Yes, ma'am. You send that only, ma'am. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am will start now classwork part, ma'am.
Wait, I need to finish this.
Ma'am, I wrote before only Jupiter and Saturn, ma'am. No, ma'am. Can
Okay,
you show
here.
1 minute?
Recall
We are
and
writing
complete
plan.
the concept map
Please,
given
ma'am.
below. Okay. What is the system? 5 words,
Ma'am,
1 to 5
please
letters.
put ma'am, solar. Ma'am, I'm completing it.
Okay.
Ma'am, recall after writing solar, we have to write the planet names.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Wait.
New moon, Crescent, Crescent, Crescent.
Okay, remaining you write later.
Ma'am, over you can put
Yeah.
the red recall.
System. What is the system here?
Solar.
Solar system. It contains all of you maintain silence. 1, 2,
Mercury.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
They give extra. Ma'am, I think we should write Pluto again.
Omit one letter. Omit one box. Okay, write this.
Ma'am, I omit one last box, ma'am.
Write from here. Dev, don't write on the board.
Ma'am, they gave in the second box Earth, ma'am.
Yeah, write this. Can you see?
The
Ma'am, they gave in second box Earth, ma'am.
No problem, you write.
I can't see the screen.
Ma'am, we should cut it and write.
Screenshot.
Why you can't see? Yes, I am sharing it.
Ma'am, we can cut it and write their winners.
Yeah, no need. As it is, you write.
At night,
Saturn,
Mahindra, Sulfur, Galarium.
Ma'am, I
Sulfur, Ga.
All of you, please write without talking.
Ma'am, because of
So loudly.
I don't have textbooks, ma'am.
Again, you lost, huh?
Ma'am, because I came to my hometown, ma'am. Tomorrow I will come to Hyderabad, ma'am.
If you're going to hometown, you should also take your books along with you. How can you
Ma'am,
forget?
my daddy is not allowing, ma'am.
Did not allow.
Ma'am, second one. Ma'am, again you will send these bits in the WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Ma'am, in the second box, they
Ma'am,
gave
Shauria,
Earth,
ma'am, we can see
Whatever it is, leave one box. Write the remaining 8 planets in that boxes. Please understand.
Ma'am, in the Venus place, they gave Earth.
Everybody is telling the same thing. I told you. Just write the planet's name in the boxes. Don't tell the same thing.
Ma'am, I wrote the Venus down and I wrote there is
No
Earth.
problem. Just write the 8 planets. That's it. Keep that only point in the mind.
Ma'am, can you show it also?
Wait, let's discuss that. First, you finish writing this.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Venus.
They gave here 9 boxes, ma'am. We should write Pluto also.
Ma'am, that's why after Earth we can write the Venus. We should write after Earth.
Pluto also. Let's go to the next topic. Let's observe. Look at the pictures carefully and label the phases of the moon.
Can you show 1 minute, ma'am?
Wait, when I'm showing for these phases of the moon, then you can see it. What is the first phase?
New moon.
Second phase?
Crescent moon.
Also crescent.
Crescent moon.
Which is also crescent. Fourth one is half moon. This is also crescent again. And this is yeah. Name the planet shown in the picture given alongside. Which is the planet which has rings? Saturn. And write one special feature of this planet. It is the Saturn is the
lightest planet.
Ma'am, they gave by mistake Earth in Venus place. That's why they gave 9 boxes, ma'am.
We already discussed about it. Please don't mention the same topic again and again.
Ma'am, in first blank name the planet shown in the picture given alongside. We should write that name.
Ma'am, for first answer we should write these all, ma'am.
Here let's observe. This is different phases of the moon. Second one, that is under the let's observe. A is this one, B is this one. Okay, here the answers are for this. This is let's observe. These are the different phases of the moon. For Saturn, A and B is the answer. Second, A and B. See here. Second, A and B.
Ma'am, for A and B we should write this, ma'am.
Of course, yes.
Ma'am, where we should, ma'am.
See the subtopic here. Let's observe and see the same topic in the textbook also. See here. Let's observe.
Ma'am, here we should write the names of the moon.
Different phases of the moon, not the names. Here, see, new moon, crescent, half moon. Since here this is new moon, crescent, half, crescent, again full moon.
Ma'am, where we should write here places not there. Up. Ma'am, we should write here. Ma'am, can you show the answers?
Yeah, where will you write? It is black color, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You put a arrow here. Listen to me. Put a arrow here and write here. Again an arrow here and write here, like that.
Ma'am, or else we will write with a sketch, ma'am.
No, sketch also it won't show on the black printed.
Ma'am, where we should write this 3, ma'am? There are so many pictures, ma'am.
We can do one help.
5 pictures we have, ma'am.
That's what I told you. Listen to me carefully when I tell you for the first time. Put an arrow and write here. Put an arrow here and write. 1 you can write here. 2 you can write here. Again you can write here, here. Up and down alternately.
Ma'am, I wrote beside the hints, ma'am.
Besides the hints, where?
Yes, ma'am.
There only I'm saying. Avisha, over there only I'm saying.
Okay.
Just to know exactly on that moon you can't write because that name won't fit. That is the reason I asked you to put arrows. Tanish, are you writing?
Over, ma'am.
Tuti, did you write? Stuti,
Can keep 1 minute.
Writing with the violet color, then I can see, ma'am.
you are visual.
Yes, ma'am.
Stuti, keep that toy behind. Sanjay, remove that toy.
Ma'am, can you?
Ma'am, can you show the see it from far? Ma'am, can you show the answers?
Yeah, I'm sharing.
Or yes. Ma'am,
Okay, did you write the second one as well?
yes, ma'am.
Now let's go to the next topic. Why can't we see the moon and the stars during day? What is the answer? Why can't we see moon and the stars during the day?
Because we are in the earth, ma'am. We can't. Of the brightness.
Not because we are on the earth. See, the sky is very bright because of sunlight. That is the reason you cannot see stars and moon are not visible. Not that they are not there. They are not visible because of extreme brightness of sun. During the
Moon
daytime.
will also be, ma'am.
Yeah.
Because of sunlight, we can't see.
Exactly. Yeah. Radhika saw a full moon last night. What will be the shape of the moon in 2 weeks from now? Draw the shape here. Second one is this one. This you will do later, okay? I'll show you how to draw and all that. Let's analyze and evaluate. Observe the moon moving around the earth. How is the moon related to earth? What is moon to earth? It is a
Ma'am, what is the black one?
huh?
Satellite.
Yeah, moon is a earth satellite.
Satellite.
The moon does not have any light of its own. Then how are we able to see the moon in the sky at night?
It reflects
The light from the sun.
Very good. Write this. With this, the question, this lesson will be over. At all of you, get your classworks. We'll see how much you wrote and how much we have to write.
And can you show the let's apply answer? I have to start the 11th lesson.
I will show everything. See, for FA3 portion, we had till what lesson we wrote? Our body we wrote. Okay, measurement.
We wrote measurement also.
Lesson 10 I wrote, ma'am. I have to write this.
All of you maintain silence. I will tell you. I will tell you. Okay, measurement also we wrote. Light, sound, and the force also we wrote, I guess. I have checked also. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. We wrote light, sound, and force also.
Then we need to write air, water. Air,
Excuse
water,
me,
nitrogen
ma'am.
to write.
Ma'am, I have to write it. Ma'am, light, sound, and force.
Why I forwarded? I forwarded long back. Why didn't you write?
Very low.
Ma'am, you forwarded 14th lesson, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you send 8th lesson?
8th lesson, why not?
No,
Who is singing song? Who is singing song?
Stuti, ma'am.
Stuti, please maintain this.
Shruti, ma'am.
Ma'am, I wrote till measurement lesson only, ma'am.
Stuti, can you call your parents? Stuti, can I talk to your parents, please? This is not fun. Okay, now you want from which lesson?
Ma'am, I'm Shaurya ma'am. Let's play. We should write this full.
Ma'am, we need the sun, moon, and the stars, ma'am.
Measurement over. I need to light sound and force. How many of you didn't write?
Ma'am, this is Dhruti ma'am.
Air, water, weather. We need to write.
I did not write ma'am in notebook.
Who
Ma'am,
was
this
not write?
Ma'am, this is Dhruti ma'am. I have to write light, sound, and force. Ma'am, I also ma'am. This is Sanjay.
How many?
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, first hai.
Stuti, can you call your parents?
Ma'am, she left the class, ma'am.
Please stop talking. Okay, I'm showing the notes. All of you open the books. Others who didn't write, they can show the books. Who didn't, who already wrote, will show me the books. Who didn't write, will write now.
Ma'am, but I don't have textbooks and notebooks, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Radesh Dev, will you maintain silence?
Don't have a textbook.
Radesh Dev, will you maintain silence? We can't do anything if you don't have books. Please maintain silence.
Ma'am, can you keep the notes?
Yeah, I'm just opening. First measurements we already wrote. Then later, after measurement, what is the lesson?
Light, sound,
Light,
force.
sound, and force, ma'am.
Light, sound, and force, ma'am. 11th lesson. Light, sound, and force. Ma'am, this is Sanjay, ma'am. I wrote, ma'am.
Measurement, light, sound, and force.
Ma'am, you sent it WhatsApp, ma'am, that lesson.
Ma'am,
Wait, I have to open now. Wait.
ma'am, I did not draw measurement lesson pictures, ma'am.
You have to do it, ma. What is the use of telling me? You have to do it. Yeah, light, sound, and force. All of you write.
Can you show now that, ma'am?
That I can't. That is
Force, ma'am.
you check on the group.
Can you show? Can you tell, ma'am?
You can see from the go to 3D group.
We already wrote the light, sound, and force, ma'am.
Remove the. What did I just told? What did I just tell? Those who wrote, you keep maintain silence. I will check their books. Others will be writing. Chandana, check from group media from 3D group and finish that measurement thing, and then start the light, sound, and force. Vimuda, show your book.
Ma'am, can you show drawing?
Ma'am, I'm not understand group media, ma'am.
These are the drawings.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show new words, ma'am?
Ma'am, can you show drawing?
How can I show both the things at a time? Is it possible?
Ma'am, I am Vimuda, ma'am. I am showing. Ma'am, you have sent that lesson in the WhatsApp.
I always send. Siri Samhita, as soon as the lesson is over, I always send. But you don't check and write. What should I do? How many lessons did you write, Vimuda?
Ma'am.
You means not you, ma. Others. Vimuda, how many lessons did you write? I can only see 3 lessons in index.
Ma'am, from our body to light and sound force, I wrote, ma'am.
Then if you already wrote light, sound, and force, write air, water, and weather.
Ma'am, this is Siri Samhita, ma'am. My writing is over. I'm showing, ma'am.
Show index first.
Ma'am, I am showing ma'am index. 1 minute, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Acha, still now we didn't get air, water, weather notes, ma. We need to wait. Only light was the last note given. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Vrinda. I am showing.
3 lessons, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Keep it little bit closer. Next page. Did you leave line between 2 question answers?
Ma'am?
Huh?
Ma'am, what, ma'am?
Did you leave line between 2 question answers? I asked.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn. Yeah, I will keep the page like this only. The meeting will end. No.
Ma'am, can I show my
Can you
book?
check mine in next class?
Ma'am,
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, can you
Ma'am,
check
can-
mine in next class?
What?
ma'am, can you
Mine,
check
ma'am,
my book?
Abhishek.
Both of you are talking at the same time.
Ma'am, I am Vimata, ma'am.
Now, what is? I am checking your book, ma. Over.
Yes, ma'am. Drawing, ma'am.
Show drawings. Okay, good.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Next, who will show? Okay.
Can I show?
Ma'am, I am Harshita. It's you, ma'am.
Samhita, ma'am, I'm showing my book, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am. Ma'am, after Sri Samhita, can I show? I'm Harshita. It's you.
Arshita, you show. Sri Samhita is writing something. You show.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the index, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, over, ma'am.
Okay, meeting will end now. Again, we'll meet after 10 minutes.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I
ma'am.
show
Bye,
in
ma'am.
next class after
Next class you only show. Abhishek.